Today, we're going to be discussing one of the biggest names in the game, MrBeast. With over 150 million subscribers and billions of views, MrBeast has definitely cracked the code to creating viral content, and in this video, we're going to be uncovering his secret formula for millions of views. So, how does he consistently create viral videos that garner millions of views? Now, MrBeast is a master at creating attention, grabbing thumbnails and titles. His thumbnails are often bright, bold, and visually striking, with clear text that entices viewers to click. All of MrBeast's videos feature a person on the thumbnail. He gives away money and records people's genuine reactions, unlike a lot of other generic content on the internet. He taps into people's sense of empathy by showing real people doing things that anyone would do. MrBeast's videos can be heartwarming while still being intense and interesting. It feels less like you're just watching a channel and more like you're watching real people. Also, the title is just as important. MrBeast's titles are highly descriptive and often feature a hook that piques viewers' curiosity. For example, his video titled "Last to Leave Circle" wins $500,000 immediately tells the viewer what they can expect from the video and creates a sense of excitement and anticipation. Secondly, MrBeast has an incredible ability to tap into current trends and cultural moments. MrBeast is always on the lookout for what's trending and what people are talking about. He's not afraid to experiment with new formats or topics, and he's always looking for the next big thing. By staying ahead of the curve, his content remains fresh, relevant, and highly shareable. For example, when the Squid Game topic was trending, MrBeast created a video called $456,000 Squid Game in real life that gained millions of views. And when the coronavirus pandemic hit, he created a video called "I Spent 24 Hours in a Survival Bunker" that capitalized on the public's interest in prepping and survival. Another important factor is MrBeast's dedication to quality. While his videos may seem simple on the surface, they're actually highly polished and meticulously crafted. From the editing to the sound design, every aspect of his videos is carefully considered and executed. For example, in his video titled "I Gave My 100 Millionth Subscriber an Island," he not only showcased the incredible experience of buying an island, but also included drone footage, underwater shots, and cinematic sound design to bring the video to life. This attention to detail is what sets his content apart and keeps viewers coming back for more. Finally, MrBeast is a master at engaging with his audience. He's constantly responding to comments, asking for feedback, and taking on viewer challenges. This not only helps to build a loyal fan base, but it also ensures that his content remains highly relatable and relevant. He also gave away free money to his subscribers and encouraged them to come up with creative ways to use it. This not only created a sense of community, but also allowed him to engage with his audience in a meaningful way. There you have it, MrBeast's secret formula for millions of views. Of course, this is just a starting point, and there are many other factors that contribute to his success. But by incorporating these key elements into your own content, you'll be well on your way to creating viral videos and growing your channel. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And as always, thanks for watching.